and sways, your hands spellbound. A frozen moment forever will dwell, trapped in paper, a secret to tell. An unread chapter, a thread unfurled, a piece of your heart left in our world. Fading yet vivid, it haunts my mind. An unfinished letter, lost to time. Does it speak of sun and laughter's cheer, or solemn thoughts that were never clear? A page of dreams like